what does a human not like to do, right? Put the robot in there. So robotics means to me a lot of things, but it's really a complicated process of doing something the same way many times in a row. It could be building something, moving something, picking something. All those types of things are classic robotic examples.
The things that make robotics appealing in today's world, I think the biggest one is with the flexing supply chain with different parts incoming and new needs by customers. It's having a robotic system allows you to be more flexible than some traditional assembly or other automation methods. The main technologies that we're integrating with our robotic systems are vision. So 2D and 3D vision are the things that we're most experienced and excited about using in combination with robotics, as they add even more flexibility to what we can do with those systems.
So previous customers have loved all kinds of things about their robotics projects. From the projects where it's doing a hard, horrible task that they no longer have to do, to the publicity they have of having a robot. I've had customers literally put in windows and have the public be able to view the robot working. If I'm determining what's going to be the best solution for a customer, I want to get to know the customer, talk about their application, talk about their people, talk about how it's going to be integrated into their system, and find the best possible solution.
The thing that makes Concept a great partner for robotics integration is our love of really complex challenges. The most exciting projects that we have are the ones that are the most complex or the most difficult. Those that have had problems before are the ones that really make us excited.
We want to do projects with customers, but I don't want to do one project with customers. I want to know customers for life. We can help with all kinds of things, and it's really being that customer-focused partner.